Welcome aboard Moon Shadow, a 1989 Grand Banks 42 Classic, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Grand Banks 42 is one of the most successful trawlers ever produced. Her practical layout, sturdy fiberglass construction, deep water design, and long-range capabilities all add up to a great cruising boat. This is a high-quality, classic yacht which has been well maintained and is ready for the Great Loop or the Bahamas. She is as pretty as she is sound and has recently had many upgrades to prepare for long-distance cruising. There is a large extended swim platform with boarding ladder that adds to the ease of access to the boat. Boarding Moon Shadow is safe and easy through the gated rails on either side or from the wide swim platform. At the stern is an open deck area that provides plenty of room for loading the dinghy or for chairs to relax on that perfect day. There is a conveniently located deck shower and shore power receptacles. There is a hatch and doors to access the aft cabin and also provide ventilation and light into the cabin. Her protected side decks with high railings are easy to navigate and safe for children and pets. On the bow, you are greeted with a spacious area that, with seating on the deck box, makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. Moon Shadow is equipped with a very robust and reliable bronze ideal windlass and anchor chain lock with easy access to the controls. Moon Shadow is also equipped with strong and reliable bronze deck hardware. Her beautiful brightwork has recently been varnished and protected with covers. The flybridge is easily accessible from the main deck on wide steps with railings that give the feeling of safety and security. There is a generous seating area on the flybridge. The flybridge offers excellent 360-degree visibility when underway or maneuvering dockside. Moon Shadow is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm. A Furuno chart plotter is mounted at the helm and a nav pod. Additionally, there is a full range of controls including bow thruster and autopilot controls. The main salon is entered through the port or the starboard side doors. The salon is a bright and airy space with large windows and custom designer curtains on all sides. The interior of the Grand Banks Classic is ideal for a couple with children or guests, offering 2 private staterooms, 1 V-berth guest cabin forward, and the master aft, separated by a spacious main cabin and galley. The interior is finished in a beautiful satin varnished teak and fine fabrics, offering warmth and comfort that is unique to Grand Banks. The very functional galley includes stainless steel sink, a 3-burner electric stove and oven, large refrigerator, and a microwave. There is a second large refrigerator as well as an ice maker. Above the helm is an overhead electronics area with autopilot, VHF radio, and other equipment. The beautiful lower helm station features a beautiful traditional teak steering wheel, Furuno chart plotter, engine controls, and a full range of gauges. Additionally, there is a bow thruster control. The breaker panel is conveniently located next to the helm. The private master cabin is found aft and down 3 steps. This warm and roomy cabin is equipped with a double-sized berth to starboard and a single berth to port with a large floor space in between. There is a number of storage spaces as well as a large closet. The private owner's head area is spacious and features a vacuum flush freshwater toilet and a separate shower. Forward and 3 steps down is a private guest stateroom with a large V-berth, hanging locker, and abundant drawer storage. This area is equipped with its own separate head with a shower and a freshwater toilet. The engine room in the Grand Banks Classic is a standout feature, and there is plenty of space around both engines to easily access for maintenance. The twin Ford Lehman 135 horsepower diesels offer dependability and economical power at hull speed. There is a 10.7 kilowatt NorPro generator mounted aft. Moonshadow has been well taken care of and is ready to go for her next owner. To book your appointment to view Moonshadow, contact Little Yacht Sales.